I want to start by saying that the Pythagorean theorem is one of the most fundamental concepts in geometry. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now, why does this work? Well, it all comes down to the areas of squares. Let's take a look at a right triangle. You'll notice that one angle is always 90 degrees. That's why it's called a right triangle. The side opposite this right angle is our hypotenuse, and it's always the longest side. The other two sides can be any length as long as they form that right angle. So, we plug these values into our formula. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals sine c squared. That gives us 9 plus 16 equals sine c squared, or 25 equals sine c squared. Taking the square root of both sides, we get c equals sine 5. But what if we know the hypotenuse in one side and we need to find the other side? No problem. We just rearrange the formula. Let's say we have a hypotenuse of 13 and one side of 5. We set it up like this. 5 squared plus b squared equals sine 13 squared. Solve for b, and you've got your answer. The Pythagorean theorem might seem simple, but it's an incredibly powerful tool in mathematics. From calculating distances to solving complex geometric problems, this theorem is something you'll use again and again. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using a squared plus b squared equals sine c squared. Thanks for watching, and remember, math isn't just about formulas, it's about understanding the world around us.
If you've enjoyed this program, please click like and subscribe.